KGW, I wanted to make some videos on some really interesting animals because, well, everybody likes to learn about animals. So today I'm going to be talking about an animal that I think is really cool, yet I think it's very underrated on how cool it is. And this animal is the octopus. Almost everybody knows what octopuses are.
Excuse me, it shouldn't be octopuses, it should be octopi.
Well, actually, octopuses, octopi, and octopods are all appropriate plural forms of the word octopus.
Oh.
Anyways, well, octopus's size can range from 1/4 gram to up to 600 pounds. The smallest is the male pillow octopus, which is only a few centimeters long. However, the female pillow octopus can grow up to be 6 feet long and weigh over 100 pounds. Now, that's like me asking a woman 4 times the size of the Statue of Liberty out on a date. That's more woman than I can handle. Of course, the octopus is most famous for its 8 arms, which it uses for practically everything, like eating, moving, hunting, tasting, and even mating. Now, behind the octopus's head is the mantle, and that's a big thing that goes like that, and that's where all the animal's organs are stored. Octopi have blue blood, and the blood is actually a poor carrier of oxygen, which can sometimes help explain the animal's apparent laziness. But you can never call an octopus heartless because they have 3 in order to cope with the low oxygen levels. Now, I can't talk about octopi without bringing up the mimic octopuses because they are top dogs when it comes to camouflage. They can imitate a numerous amount of fish and even sea snakes. They change their color to match whatever they are impersonating, and they contort their body and shape to match the shape of the animal. Octopuses are so smart that research shows that the octopus actually decides what animal it's going to mimic depending on its current predator. So the predator that's attacking the octopus is going to mimic that predator's top enemy in order to scare him off. An octopus is able to change its color due to its chromatophores. These are cells which each contain 3 sacs of color, and there's tens of thousands of them over the skin of the octopus. But the pigment changes colors when the muscles around the color sacs contract or relax, similar to a drop of ink on a rubber band. Also, chromatophores are independently controlled by the nervous system. This means that they can change super fast and can be very complex. An octopus can completely change its appearance in less than a second. Octopuses also have reflective cells in their skin, which mirrors the surrounding colors even better, like the James Bond car in Die Another Day. Now, octopuses can even change their texture by changing the projections on their skin to blend in even better. Now, the common octopus only lives up to an average of 3 to 5 years, so it doesn't have much time to waste. It tries to get as much packed into its life as possible. Of course, octopuses are known for their ink. Now, this ink can be shot out in bursts that serves as decoys or one huge blob for the great getaway. But the ink also impairs the smell and taste of the predator. Octopus eyes are so advanced that camera manufacturers have used their eyes as a model to improve their camera lenses. Octopus arms are incredibly strong and flexible, and they're made almost entirely of muscle, so they're strong enough to wrestle sharks and break through plexiglass. But without any bones, they pretty much have an infinite range of motion, but they have so much muscle in there that they can actually mimic joints in their arm. Now, both male and female octopuses die soon after mating, which is unfortunate. Now, this is awesome. Each arm has its own nervous system, so this means that the brain says what needs to be done, and the arm is actually the thing that decides the best way to do it. So the brain does not focus on actually moving the arms like we do, but it just thinks that needs to be done, so the arm takes care of it. Octopuses move mostly by walking, using their suckers to crawl across the ocean floor, but the octopus can jet away quick if need be. It takes in water through its mantle and then forces it through its funnel, also known as a siphon, and that propels the octopus forward at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Now, what most people don't know about octopi, and this is kind of creepy, is they have a beak in their mouth, similar to a parrot's. It's strong, it's retractable, and it's used for breaking open clamshells and tearing flesh. They also have a barbed tongue that comes out and scrapes the shells clean. And if that wasn't enough, they have a tooth-covered drill thing that comes out of their mouth and drills through tough shells. Scientists have studied and determined that octopuses have personalities and psychic powers. If you want to learn more about octopus's psychic powers, Google Paul the Octopus and you'll see what I mean. KGW, thanks for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. I learned quite a bit about octopuses, octopi, and octopods. Learn on.
If you like this video and you like learning, well, please subscribe to our channel so you can watch more of our videos. And please tell a friend what you have learned today, because knowledge is nothing until it is shared.